$1 million question. I don't even know. I don't know. I haven't added it all up yet, so that's what we're gonna do here today. I have almost every receipt, not every receipt, but like 98% of the receipts. Even if they were stupid, I saved them just because why not have a grand total? And mind you, this is going to be, you know, if I wouldn't do this if I did like a remodel or like a partial renovation. I'll always save my receipts and know what I spent, but like I wouldn't be doing a video on it if it wasn't like a full renovation. Everything from, you know, it needed all new windows to siding to a well drilled, you know, like not, you don't need to do that every time. But, you know, there was a lot of extras, and like the cleanup of the property cost me, you know, probably around 10 grand just to clean up the property. And it's still like not even started really. Like it just has good curb appeal, but there's a ton of stuff still down there that needs gone. It's in the woods and stuff like that. But yeah, I want to add those in. Now I'm not going to, I'm going to give everybody 3 prices here. I'm going to do a price of material, I'm going to do a price of labor, and then I'm going to do a price of both, because so many tattoos were done in exchange for work on this place. At the beginning, that's pretty much all I was doing. And then, you know, Chuck came through and started drywalling, and he worked for cash. And then I had him just kind of do all kinds of stuff. But I was still paying people in tattoos to do other things. I mean, some of the crazier things that were done in there were done in exchange for tattoos, which I'm very thankful for and grateful for. But like, if you have the time to do this yourself, anybody could do this, you know, on their own. I could have done it, but I had to work to, you know, fund it. And it just, you know, I was lucky enough to have good guys that got me through it. And it's crazy to think that it's done. It took a year. It was a long, long year. Never-ending money, never-ending problems, never-ending drama. And it was a really cold winter. And, you know, I'm glad it's done. I haven't even really processed it yet. Like, too much has happened. I mean, I jumped straight into my other property that we're working on, you know, so like I really haven't had any time of grace or, you know, reflection. So doing this video will kind of, looking back on all these dates and all these receipts are going to be interesting, and it's going to take me right back to where I was last year at this time. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah, I'll just have to, I guess you can read them off to me, and I'll just save every single one. This is going to be the grand total because I
take a guess. Take a guess. Ooh.
So
I was gonna say 15.
that's crazy. That's material. But there were windows which would take that up to, let's see, plus 700. That takes it up. And then, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna say there were some other things that I didn't have receipts for, so we'll call it 13,000 for materials, and then plus the well is $6,000, 6 and some change, but we'll say that takes it up to 17, plus 18,000 for the house, 35, 660, 18, plus 20,000 in labor. Takes the grand total to $55,660 and some change. Give or take $5,000, we'll say max for, some breathing room. We'll say, so around a $60,000 investment. And yeah, I'm gonna get it reappraised, but some of my realtor friends that have seen it say that it's worth every bit of 280 to 300,000. So that's a pretty good investment.